Step 1. In your search engine, enter our link https://business-client OurShop/register. Step 2. Enter your name. Enter your last name. Enter the email address with which you manage your business, the country where you are based, the phone number and the phone code that appears when you enter the country. We enter a password that we remember and confirm the password. Remember that it must be alphanumeric and one of its characters must be capitalized and a sign at least. We enter the commercial role. If I only want to sell as a seller. If I only want to buy as a buyer. But if you're like us and you like to buy and sell online, enter both. Also enter the name of your company and accept the terms and conditions. Important. Once registered, you must go to your legal email and you will receive a welcome message. Click on the Activate My Account button. A window will appear where we will welcome you to this digital world. Let's start with the important thing. Let's see one by one the items that we can use to customize our landing page or conversion funnel. Step 4. We click on the person located on the upper right side of our page. We click on My Account. We will find our data and we can personalize it with a photo of our choice. We go back and click on My Company. We will enter with our username and password, the same as at the beginning. Where it says General, we fill in our company data. Don't get confused. The first ones were your data. Now we are filling in your company data. We enter the name, and on the right side you can upload your company logo, which must be uploaded in JPG format. Address, phone number, email, country, benefits, total employees, website if you have one, legal owner, office size. And then we save. Don't forget to save. It is important to save. The button is located on the upper right side. We click where it says Business, fill in the main category and the current business category. Choose the one that best suits your line of business, and if you don't find one that suits your line of business, choose the other option. In this link, it is essential to locate the subdomain. Where it says subdomain, we will put the name with which you want to be identified. For example, company name and save. Once we save, I open a new window in the browser. I put the name of my company, OurShop, but here nothing will be seen yet. Wait, first we must design our conversion funnel. Step 5. Now we must go to include our products and then go to decorate our webpage. Let's start. We click on products and click on publish. We are going to include products. Here we will place everything necessary to include your products. Remember to correctly add the categories of your products that are displayed in each of the options, and be careful with the numerical values. You can only fill these in without the option of adding letters. In both general data, then in images you can include videos and details, all the resources you have to make your business more attractive, and at the end, remember to wait for the products to load correctly and save the information. We will do this product by product. Step 6. Now, in the link to my company, we are going to design the conversion funnel. Click on my company and then click on my website. Within the funnel design, you can customize your page with different resources that we offer you. This includes headers, videos, images. You can include your products that we had previously created in carousel, list, or a single product format. You can add contact items, use layout to manage proportions, and even add videos and images, and many more tools that will help your clients interact correctly with your products and services. Now you are ready to start living the best digital experience for your business with a tool where you will get more sales with a unique and free system. Remember, this is not our e-commerce, but it is a benefit that we give you to change to the digital age.